Greetings everyone. I wish everyone a very happy new year and we welcome this year, year 2025 with lots of opportunities for growth as well as peace, safety and prosperity on all your families and friends. I Master Sid Purayash is back again to help you find solutions of the problems and guide you to the right path so that you can attain a growth as well as happiness in your life. So today we are going to speak about resolutions. आप लोग ने सुना ही होगा लोग resolutions बनाते हैं ये साल में ये करूंगा ये साल में ये करूंगी बनाएंगे they will post it in a video on a social media Instagram stories or any other social media apps or either they will tell with your friends कि हम इस साल मेरे को ये करना है नहीं इस साल में ये करके दिखाऊंगा ये करके दिखाऊंगी but have you ever completed that thing कभी इस बात पे भी सोचा है चलो बोलने के लिए तो बोल दिया चल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन की बात आई जब 1 जनवरी शुरू हुआ नए साल की शुरुआत हुई तो डिड यू एवर ट्राइड Okay, obviously everyone tries in the initial start of the days, but कभी continue किया उसको आगे? Did you ever take it to the extent where you actually felt you have grown in that part or you have improved? Have you ever thought about it? Let me take you to the reality because till the time people who weren't doing that, who were just doing it for the sake, they are fooling themselves. Do you know how? See, just making a resolution is not a thing. उसको implement करना होता है. And resolution क्यों? Resolution बनाओ कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. But have the courage, have that plan in your mind, have that determination towards it so that you can take it to an extent and so that you can grow in that particular part जो resolution आपने लिया है and you can improve next time or the next year you can feel the change in yourself because at the end resolution का करना क्या है सिर्फ बोल के थोड़ी छोड़ना है उसको बोलना है तो करेंगे भी उसमें implement करके grow भी करेंगे that's the aim that's the goal that's the thing what you should begin because nowadays people have a trend of making resolutions and it happens even in previous years also it has happened but only few people who are actually determined and who have actually dedicated for the thing have achieved it they have completed it they have grown in that particular sector or resolution what they have made and today I'm going to teach you that so let's talk about how you can actually implement your resolution to extent where you feel that you have grown in that particular thing or you have achieved it completely achieved it in the sense that you will feel improvise in that thing so even in the next year comes और इवन आफ्टर फ्यू मंथ्स यू विल रियलाइज दैट जो रिजोल्यूशन बनाया था वो जस्ट बनाया नहीं था हमने उसको पूरा भी किया सो हाउ वी कैन डू दैट नाउ फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट पीपल डू इन द फ्लो टू फ्लो दे मेक एनी रिजोल्यूशन विदाउट एनी थिंकिंग ऑफ इट फर्स्ट सोचो ना क्या रिजोल्यूशन लेना है सो सोचोगे तो प्लान बनाओगे सो फर्स्ट थिंक ऑफ इट इफ यू आर मेकिंग एनी रिजोल्यूशन थिंक ऑफ इट करने क्या वाले सो plan accordingly so once you have a plan so you have a path to follow and once you have a path to follow you don't have to go here and there wander places to place I mean wander here and there on parts of strategies that ये चलो ले तो लिया अभी करेंगे कैसे नहीं it's उसमें टाइम बहुत जाता है because not everyone continues people give up over there so first think of what resolution you are taking any resolution any field whatever makes you happy whatever makes you feel you want to do make it a resolution if you want to make it then have a plan of it कि कैसे implement करोगे once you begin keep a track कि कैसा जा रहा है initial day में first day आया first Jan you started it so you think of it at the end of the day how it was how much you were able to do or how it's going the next week take a check again कैसा जा रहा है in the middle you may feel कि चलो यार 15 दिन हो गए it's almost 15-16 Jan या February भी शुरू हो गया जहाँ मोस्टली पीपल का माइंड डाइवर्ट हो जाता है किसी और चीजों में भी here it is the time where people give up कि या फिर भूल जाते हैं कि क्या रिजोल्यूशन लिया था आज समवन हु मेड अ रिजोल्यूशन इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ अ ईयर एंड आस्क इट आफ्टर 2 to 3 months some will forget some will say कि नहीं यार छोड़ दिया and you will find very few who will say नहीं उस पे काम चालू है ग्रोथ हुआ इम्प्रूव है एंड मैं इसको कंप्लीट करके दिखाऊंगा so how it happens ऐसे ही तो नहीं आता no one is has superpowers that can just say and you can do it needs a thing so first think of it what resolution you are making then plan a plan is necessary see it is meant that plan will go upside down but if you have a plan so you have a pathway you need to walk in it so you just don't have to wandering ka time bach gaya na you just have to follow a path change your strategies accordingly so that in case there are ups and downs so you can still be flexible you can work on it ऐसा नहीं कि भाई हो गया you came at the end single point of failure नहीं चाहिए वो तो no one wants you should have a plan so that it helps you to be on the track and then keep monitoring जैसे जैसे टाइम जा रहा है सी कि कैसा चल रहा है आपका जो रिजोल्यूशन है तो एक बार आपने रिजोल्यूशन को ऐसे इस तरीके से बिगिन एंड देन उसको स्ट्रेटेजाइज करो कि भाई ऐसे हम इसको अचीव करेंगे मॉनिटर करो बरोबर से सो दैट it there are very high chances that And if you keep dedicated, are you dedicated for it and you put efforts consistently, because obviously no matter what you do, consistency is important. तो उसको अगर कंसिस्टेंसी से करे एंड करते जाओ फॉर अ गुड स्पैन ऑफ टाइम, लाइक 1 मंथ 2 मंथ, बिकॉज एक दिन में तो मालूम नहीं पड़ता आपको कि कितना सक्सीड हुए नहीं. एक महीना, एक वीक तो अंदाजा लगता है कि चलो अब प्लान बैठ चुका है, यू हैव एक्चुअली बिगन ऑन इट. बट only 1 week is not enough to decide whether you will reach or not. 2-3 months will go and you will realize कि किधर है हम, किधर पहुंच रहे हैं. बट इफ यू मेक योर रिजोल्यूशन एंड एम, एकदम फोकस रहे ना उसके ऊपर, बाय गिविंग एफर्ट्स, डेडिकेटेड रखे एंड मोटिवेटेड रहो. ऑब्वियसली डिसिप्लिन इज नेसेसरी, बट इवन मोटिवेशन ऑल्सो, because discipline will help you to survive and motivation will help you to get up from the downs. So think of a resolution, make a plan, strategize it properly, give efforts and stay consistent on it, and after a span of time check how it's going and not. Monitor it, strategize it if needed, or else keep following the path, and there will be a day you will say मैंने जो resolution लिया था year के start में वो मैंने complete कर लिया. So I wish you best of luck for it, and once again everyone a very happy new year.